This is another package that I've received. Again, it's a mystery. Let's see what is it. Well, it was too securely packed. And let me open it now. Oh, Meade Series 4000 07049 F 6.3 focal reducer field flattener. Oh, that's a lovely thing. Yeah, remember. There is a lot of bad reviews about it because there were some glue problems with some of the eyepieces in America, especially distributed some years ago. But this is a British stock. And let's see. That's the reason it was sold very cheaply. About it. So let me see what is it. It was quite impressive package. I'll open it now and have a look. Okay, I'm very impressed by how well packed it was. Now let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, this is clean. No glue or anything. So seems this is a UK stock and it has been away from all those batches of problematic batch in America. But that gives a bad name to the thing when you go to Amazon or other places. People have nagged about it a lot. This looks alright. I got it half the price of the Celestron one. Yeah, it's quite good. I don't see any fault with this. And it does the job, quite have a nice weight. Not very heavy, not very light. And with the Meade quality, I'm looking forward to use it on a telescope. This will practically increase the field of view of your telescope and also flattens the field of view. So it is good for as a corrector also, if you want to do some astrophotography. This is the document which came with the field flattener and focal reducer. And as you can see, it's completely comprehensive. These are how to use it. It is good for the Schmidt-Cassegrain telescopes and also any other telescope which matches that, like Celestron or anything. I may try it even with a Skywatcher SkyMax 150p Maxetov telescope, and they have the same basic Schmidt-Cassegrain back cell, so they can be used with this and to increase the true field of view. So these are the different configurations you can use it with. So you put this between the telescope and any other optical instrument that you want to use, for example, with the auto guider, off-axis guider, with the T adapter and the camera, with the eyepiece focuser and diagonal. Next comes the CCD imager or normal eyepiece diagonal with the eyepiece, star diagonal and the eyepiece. So it has a versatile use. It just comes between the telescope, back cell and any other thing that you want to use with.